If you're like most guys, you've probably wondered how to get a girl to like you. It's such a common thought, because most men think that girls are too picky/hard to impress, and that it's impossible to make those girls like them. And that exact moment, when those negative thoughts race in, is where most men will give up before they even speak to that girl. That's why I've come up with today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. Go check out my website to view today's complete article on how to get a girl to like you. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, be good with your posture. Good posture instantly makes you feel taller and more powerful when you approach a woman. And the best part? This step, unlike other body language tricks, is so incredibly easy to do, that it won't take your focus off her in the moment. I mentioned that you feel taller/more powerful with good posture. And that not only helps how you feel, but it helps you how she sees you. You immediately project a tall, powerful confidence, and do I really need to tell you that confidence is attractive? To make any girl subconsciously like you more as soon as she sees you. Number 2, just say hi. If you spend too much time rehearsing your approach, it's easy to begin to think that you need to be nothing less than totally original. And while being clever probably can't hurt, it's easy for women to spot an overly practiced line, and it's an immediate red flag. So, how to get a girl to like you? Instead of trying to surprise her with something she's never heard before, try to surprise her with something refreshing, that she likely hasn't heard in a while, and just start with a simple hey. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.